Imagine testing your crisis plan without the chaos. Today we reveal how tabletop exercises let organizations walk through disasters in an informal, stress-free environment to validate their readiness safely. A tabletop exercise, also known as a desktop exercise, is a discussion-based simulation where teams analyze hypothetical emergency scenarios to evaluate their response plans effectively. Unlike intense full-scale simulations, this method creates a safe space for staff to see how they react under pressure, without the high stakes of actual field operations. The World Health Organization classifies these as discussion-based exercises, distinct from drills or functional exercises, focusing purely on analyzing strategies rather than physical execution. These simulations are integral to crisis management, allowing teams to identify gaps in their plans and enhance response strategies before a real emergency ever occurs. By minimizing the attempt at physical simulation, organizations can boost patient safety and operational readiness while keeping the atmosphere informal and conducive to open dialogue. This low-intensity approach provides a clear picture of organizational resilience, proving that preparation is best done through conversation before the pressure hits. Understanding these differences boosts safety for everyone. Which emergency preparedness method does your organization use? Share your experience in the comments and subscribe for more insights.